Hey you, yes you, welcome to a world of biology, the study of life itself, and if we're being honest, the study of why we sometimes cannot remember where we put our car keys. Alright, let's get into it. Biology is the study of life. I'm talking about everything that's alive. From the tiny bacteria having a party in your gut to the massive whales out there showing off in the ocean and elephants. Those guys are basically the gym bros of the animal kingdom. Here is the thing. Biology is like the ultimate guide to understand how stuff works. Why do plants grow? How do animals survive? Why does your dog freak out when the vacuum cleaner comes out? Is it a monster? A ghost? Biology's got the answer, my friend. Think of biology as the instruction manual for life. Without it, you are basically trying to build IKEA furniture blindfolded. And trust me, I've been there. My coach still has 3 extra schools. Why study biology? Oh, I don't know. Maybe because it answered the big question, like why doing the sleep? How does photosynthesis even work? And why does your plant keep dying even though you talk to it every day? But it's not just about plants, my dude. Biology saves lives. It tells us how diseases work, how our body fight them off, and this is crucial, how to wash your hands properly. None of that splash water and hope for best nonsense. Scrub like you're trying to erase your browser history. Fun fact alert! There's a jellyfish that can reverse its aging process. Yeah, it's like Benjamin Button but with tentacles. And it just goes, nah, I'm good, and turns back into a baby. Meanwhile, I eat 1 slice of pizza and feel like I'm 90. Biology is everywhere, guys. It's in your food, your mind, your dog, and even in that coffee you're chunking like it's the elixir of life. Biology is the reason you know that apples are good for you, that medicine fixes your cold, and that coffee makes you feel like you can fight a bear. Without biology, you'd be clueless. Like, why is this frog staring at me like I owe it money? The Bible talks about life too. Check this one out. Genesis 1:24. And God said that the earth make all kinds of animals. And boom, there were elephants, frogs, and chickens, each in their own special kinds. Wow, that's like the first biology lesson ever. God made all living things, and now we get to study them, just like real scientists. Well, now think about how biology impacts your life. Remember, biology is the study of life. Share your thought and comment it below. So, to wrap this up, biology is the ultimate life hack. It's the reason you're not still trying to figure out how to breathe manually. It's the reason you know not to eat random mushrooms in the forest. And it's the reason you appreciate the weird little frog checking you from the pond. Want more weird, wild, and wacky biology facts? Hit that subscribe button, my dude. Stay curious, stay weird, and remember, science is just natural ways of showing off. See you in the next one.